Hey guys, how's it going? So today I'm going to show you how to make a strawberry cheesecake cake roll. I know it sounds like a mouthful, but really it's so delicious and worth it at the end. So let's get started. First we're going to grease our pan, line with our parchment paper. Bye-bye. Moving on to the batter. Since this is a sponge cake, we're going to be needing a lot of eggs. Oh shoot! Now let's whisk up all our eggs. We're going to add in our white granulated sugar, oil, and some vanilla extract. Now we're going to sift our flour, baking powder, and our salt. Sift. Get my spatula and we're going to stir everything together. Okay, so you can just pour this onto your pan, but I kind of want to go a little bit further. I'm going to pour half the batter into another bowl. I'm going to take this batter and dye it red. I'm going to get 2 piping bags. Okay, so I got my red and I'm going to do stripes. Okay, so now I'm going to bake for about 10 to 15 minutes. About to flip it over, but I'm going to sprinkle some powdered sugar onto our towel. Let's peel off the parchment paper. I'm going to sprinkle on some powdered sugar over the top. Use one end of the towel and start rolling. Leave it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Now time for the filling. To our bowl, we're going to add in some softened cream cheese, sugar, some vanilla. Scrape down the sides. Set this to the side. We're going to get our strawberries. We're going to cut off the stem. And we're going to cut it into thin slices. Now we're going to pour over our cream cheese mixture, my offset spatula, and smooth it all out. Add on my diced strawberries. Let's roll it up now. I'm going to refrigerate for another 30 minutes. Top with some powdered sugar. Piping bag. Just going to do a little bit of piping. Put on some strawberries.
That's so good, Charlotte. Good job.
That's the wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was an adventure. And videos every single Saturday. And we'll see you next time.